guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I got another do-it-yourself video, just a simple job. I'm going to replace the air filter in my 2018 Chevy Colorado. Anyway, it's a pretty simple job, but sometimes, like I said, somebody doing it for the first time, they'd like to see someone else do it before they attempt it themselves. So this is the air filter part number that for this truck. It's the Fram Extra Guard CA11959. Anyway, the air box has got 4 screws holding it in. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4 over here. I've already loosened them just to try to shorten the video up. Pretty straightforward, and they don't come out all the way out, but you'll know when they're loose. You can move them around, but they stay in there so you don't lose it or lose them. Anyway, this is a mass air meter. Just pull that. There's a little locking tab. Just pull that and then just press down, and that'll unhook that. And it's hooked on the air box down here. It's just a little clip. You just pull the clip out, so you can set the connector for the mass air meter out of the way. And then the air tube, just an 8mm, and just loosen that up. And you gotta remove this tube. It's on there pretty good, so I'll just set the camera here. Well, I don't want to come out. So anyway, I'll try pushing the air box. There's little tabs down here where it connects in. I'll just push the air box back. I guess got to lift it up a little bit. Maybe not quite as easy a job as I thought. Anyway, I'm going to just lift up a little bit on the front and push it back. Come. That should just come right out. I have to get a screwdriver to get that air tube off. It's got a lip on it. It doesn't want to clear it for some reason. I got a little pry bar here to try to get this off. There. Sometimes these easy jobs, or what should be easy, are a little more difficult than they need to be. Anyway, the box, just pull it ahead and it'll come right out. Here's the old air filter. It don't look dirty as far as that goes, but this truck's pretty oily under the hood because I've had it undercoated each year by rust check. So I'm going to lift the filter out. Oh, looks like we had a mouse living in here. So definitely is time for a filter change. That's one of the issues with living in the country, is they want to get in everywhere. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a vacuum to clean this out. Anyway, we'll be right back. Okay guys, so I vacuumed that all out. I can't imagine that being a very nice place to live when the truck's running, but anyway, like I said, living here in the country, they can build a nest in a day or two. Okay, anyway, let's place the new filter in. This is probably a good idea. I did change the filter. I didn't figure the filter would be too dirty, but I never imagined that a mouse was living in there either. We're all lined up. Put the air tube back on. There. And line these screws up and just start putting them in. Just gonna leave it loose until I get them all started. Remember, there's 4 of them. Just tighten them down. You ain't gonna go crazy because these screws are in plastic, so you don't want to strip them. And now this little thing here, it slides over that, and we'll tighten it. And we hook our mass air meter back up, put it in, and press the lock. Then this little clip here just clips on the side of the air box. There, we're done. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.